guys, today is June 7th, 2018, and what you see right in front of your face are Egyptian walking onions. And as you know how they get their names, as you see right there, that onion right there, how it's like falling, and at the tip there's onion seeds, and when they drop they're going to grow new ones. And it's the same thing with these ones. That's how they got their name. And these are the funky ones. And actually, these ones right here, you can break some and use them for salads or, yeah. And as you can see up close, they look like miniature onions. Cute, right? And you can also chop these up and put them into salads. They're really good. And these little babies right here, I'm going to throw them around this area so that they'll grow. It's raining, it's pouring. Okay, so we'll check up on them at the end of the season. Bye! Boo! So these are walking Egyptian onions, and as you can see, once this bud gets heavy, it falls down just like this one, and then it grows, and whatever falls down that's so heavy, and as you can see, once it lands on the ground, then that's when it's going to start growing. Sige, salamat everyone! At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel.